everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of August 17th through the 23rd, and I'm using this kit called School from Chels. This is really old, probably not in her shop anymore, but I have 2 pages here. This one has the full boxes, weekend banners, some icons, labels, things like that. This one has a bunch of checklists, glitter headers, boxes, functionals. To go with it, I pulled a bunch of washi. These are from Michaels, these are from AliExpress, and then I pulled a few from Amazon. I think actually all of these are from Amazon. So my plan is to use, I think this one. I apparently like this one more than this one, whatever. Okay, my plan is to use this one, and then this blue one along the bottom. Like so, and then I'm going to use the glitter headers, and I think I'm going to scatter everything this week. I don't think I'm going to use the checklists. Well, actually maybe I will use the checklists. Either way, I think I'm going to scatter the headers. Use all of them. I think that's really all I need to put down. Maybe the weekend banner, and then I will come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. Alright, there is the base all set up. I really am liking it so far. Alright, so my plan is to save this box, and if I can fit it, I'm going to put it at the bottom. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit it, so I'm just going to deal with all the other boxes. I think I'm going to use this one right here. I think it's just my favorite box, so that's what I'm going to do. I apparently cannot make these straight. I will say her paper peels up so well, which I really like because I am terrible at this, clearly. Alright, it's just apparently going to be like that. And I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to follow the yellow gold color. There we go. Alright, really feel like there's any... Oh, there's actually only 8 boxes. Well, that's even better, because apparently I can't count. If that's the case, maybe I want to move this one. Up by here. Alright. Yeah, so I'm using this kit this week because it's back to school for a lot of the colleges and stuff. I forgot to use this kit last year because life, it was crazy. That was when I was working. I really like this girl, so I put her in the middle. August was when I was doing my defense last year. This is actually the 1-year anniversary of my PhD defense. Oh, I should mark that. I didn't even think about that. So, yeah, life was a little bit crazy. And I was just trying to like get by as best I could, basically. So this year will hopefully be a little bit calmer. Alright, there's the full boxes. I just kind of threw them on. I really like how it turned out. I tried to put like the kids and the teenagers. I don't know, whatever. Okay. Sidebar time. Okay, so I'm going to stick down a header first. Like so. And then I think I'm going to use one habit tracker. This is going to be for Instagram. So I have my Piper Paper Company Instagram things. Is that like way too pink? The yellow's like way too yellow. This probably doesn't doesn't exactly match, but I feel like it kind of goes, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, so that's for Instagram. I was thinking about using a second habit tracker because I have plenty of them, but I didn't really know what else I wanted to track because I have trackers in my other planners. So I think I'm just going to stick with the one. And I'm going to stick this down like so. Then I think I'm going to stick in one of these guys. Which color do I want to use? Maybe I'll use navy. So it's just going to be like my catch-all for my to-dos. No idea what I'm going to do. But that's fine. Alright, there's that. And I'm going to stick kind of feel like I should pick this up. Okay. There we go. And then this is like the weekly box. How much space do I have left? Okay, above that, I'm going to use maybe this one. I'm going to stick it this way. I'm just going to use this like a header to indicate what this is. And just stick the little meal icon like that. That's going to track my meals. Then these are the 3 skinny washies I pulled. I kind of feel like the stars are the best option. So I'm just going to stick that down here just because I don't like that bottom row of dots showing for whatever reason. Alright, there we go. So now that is done, and we can move into the daily plans. So my plan for work is to use these 4 skinny ones, and then I'm going to use a bigger one on Monday. This one, because we have retreat still. So we're doing retreat, 2-day retreat. This is the 2nd day. And then I'm going to stick a checklist down here. I think I want it to be yellow. There we go. And then on Monday, maybe this guy? Sorry, this is Tuesday. And then a blue checklist. Then Wednesday, maybe this one. I love the pops of navy in here. I think it's really cute. Alright, there we go. Then Thursday, I'll use the navy down here. And Friday. I'm just going to stick in the last couple of checklists while I'm at it. I really like my checklist to run in a pattern, symmetrical from the center out. Because that's just how I roll apparently. So I'm going to do that. Alright. There we go. Back to Monday. The other thing that I need to do is I need to film. Do I want it on some sort of box thing? I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxy kind of things. So I'm going to stick it on one of these. I'm actually going to stick it this way, I think. I'm going to use the film icon from the kit. else is in the kit. That's to mark filming. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday might be Forged in Fire night. Oh, it is Forged in Fire night. I'm gonna use this little guy that could be either a computer or a TV, just to mark Forged in Fire. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, nothing. And then Sunday, do I use the cake or the little wine thing? Glasses. I think I'm going to use the cake and stick it on here. I actually went to a school whose colors were blue and gold, so seems appropriate, although I don't have like a lot of love for my alma mater from grad school. I'm just going to stick this down here at the bottom to mark 1 year since my defense. Alright, so that is the extent of my pre-planning. Not a ton going on, but you know, it is what it is. Let me see. I'm going to pull out another iHow pen because I don't know which ones of these in here are dead and which ones aren't. So I have the iHow .38. This one looks like my old cat if you assume that it's black. Anyway, so I'm gonna fill out what I already know and then I will be right back. Alright, that is everything. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It is so colorful, so cute. It's summery, but also acknowledges it's almost fall. I think it's perfect. Alright, going through this, anything I don't mention came from the kit, which is from Chels. And I did a really good job using it. I have a few icons left, 1 checklist, and 2 habit trackers. So I made really good use of this. If I don't mention it, it came from that. The icon, Instagram icon, is from Piper Paper Company. This really skinny washi is from Amazon. On the bottom, the blue washi is from Michaels, and the top one's from AliExpress. This is also an AliExpress washi. Another of the skinny washi from Amazon. And then this paw print comes from an old Recollections planner of mine from Michaels. Everything else is from the kit, so I really focused on utilizing that. Let me know if you've started school yet. If you're heading back to school soon, keep me posted. I'm curious to see what everyone's plans are and how that is going to go. As always, also please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye!